Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to remember new words. So when you are learning a new language, any language you want, you can use this technique. So basically I have a table. I have 5 columns. When I learn a new word, I write it in the middle column. A few days later or a week later, I check it and I try to guess, I try to remember the word. If I can remember correctly, I move that word to the left column, so the light green column. If I cannot remember correctly, I move it to the orange column. And then I wait one more week. And if I can remember that word again, now this time I can move it to the green column. I think it's very helpful because you need to remember the word twice in a row and then it stays in your memory longer and you cannot forget it. Okay, I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. Take care.